Our annual Go Green Awards helps us recognize the incredible work that is being done across our community to protect our environment. This year, we're recognizing Tucson Unified School District with an Educational Partner Award for its work to save energy and water in its schools across the region. In partnership with TEP, roughly 90% of the district's schools have upgraded from incandescent bulbs to LED bulbs through our program to increase the energy efficiencies of schools. Those retrofits not only help save energy, but also provide cleaner, brighter lighting to enhance the learning environment for students and teachers. The district has also worked with TEP to modernize its HVAC systems in key schools, saving on maintenance and energy costs and increasing comfort across the building. 80 of the district schools offset their energy use with solar, helping to save on operational costs in the building while promoting clean energy. With water conservation critical in the desert Southwest, the district is integrating water harvesting into more of its designs and installing smarter controls on its irrigation system.
We want to do everything we possibly can to preserve our natural resources, both now and well into the future. In terms of recycling, metal, plastics, very important. Water conservation, another topic that we intend to get more involved in as time goes on here. Also retrofitting our irrigation systems and bringing them up to date. Those are probably the biggest things that we're looking at right now.
Engaging the next generation to make conscious choices about their impact on the environment is critical in helping to build a better tomorrow.
Sustainability is important to TUSD because we all need to do our part to conserve natural resources. I believe students are key to our success. Programs such as energy patrols, water conservation, and recycling all provide a shared collaboration to create great environmental stewards for our society. It's very important to teach the students and provide them knowledge, skill, and value, and that's what we're doing here at TUSD.
Congratulations TUSD, and thank you for growing awareness of how we can all do our part to build a brighter future.